Hey guys, it's Alora, and today for quarantine I'm gonna do something that I've been putting off for way too long, mostly because I wasn't really sure how to do it, but I watched a few videos, so I think I know how to do it. But this is our RV freezer. It's has a lot of ice built up. A lot of ice. I moved the food from the freezer in here, and we actually have a lot of ice built up in the fridge too, so I'm gonna do that next. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just turn everything off and put some towels in there, and then I need to borrow a blow dryer, and I'm just gonna blow dry all that ice. So that's what I'm gonna do. Before I start doing this method, I heard there were two methods to defrost an RV fridge and freezer. So the first one was turn everything off, put some towels in there, boil water, put it in a bowl, and then close it and let the steam melt the ice. The second option I heard was to use a blow dryer and to melt the ice with that and put towels in there. Something I heard someone say about the hair dryer option is that it can melt the plastic, like these plastic shelves in here, but I think that's only going to happen if you keep it in one spot, so I'm just going to make sure I keep a continuous motion. So the things that I'm going to use today to defrost the RV freezer is a blow dryer, a towel, a small trash can, and I'm going to attempt to use a box cutter to kind of chisel some of the chunks of ice out. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna have to try and find something different, like a putty knife or just something maybe flatter to kind of get in there and bigger. But those are the tools that I'm going to use, and let's see what happens. I'm going to attempt to just get some of this ice into the trash. That way there will be less water. I'll kind of have to, that I won't have to like mop up. So I'm just switching from like scraping ice, pushing in the trash, mopping it up, heat. Scraping ice, pushing the trash, mopping up, heat. So that's kind of the strategy that I'm going for. So my camera died, but I just want to show you what I did. So I got to these little screws here, and then I pretty much gave up. But I got like a good 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches of ice off of the back and bottom of the freezer. And then I also was able to get that giant clump of ice off of here. So yep, the hair dryer solution to that worked very well. Some people, like I said, some people say that it can melt like the plastic and stuff. So just make sure when you do it to just move it frequently. Have a towel, have something to kind of chisel the ice out, and a trash can, and you should be good to go. We did not do this at all, ever, since we moved in here. So we've been in here for about 11 months, I want to say. So that was the first time that we did that. But now that we know how easy it is, we'll probably just do it more often. It's a good preventative. I think it can actually mess up your fridge and freezer if you have a bunch of ice built up, but it also saves you some room, you know, when you just keep up with that ice stuff. So I hope you guys liked the video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.